your fitness sanctuary. Why a home gym matters. Life gets busy. Work, family, errands, it all adds up. The demands of daily life can leave you feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. Finding time for the gym can feel impossible. Between commuting, long work hours, and family responsibilities, the idea of squeezing in a workout at a traditional gym can seem like a distant dream. But what if you brought the gym to you? Imagine having a dedicated space right in your home where you can exercise at your convenience. A home gym is your solution, especially for women on a budget. No more expensive memberships. You can start small, with just a few pieces of equipment, and gradually build your perfect workout space. No more crowded spaces or waiting for equipment. You have the freedom to work out without the distractions and pressures of a public gym. It's your space, your time, your workout. You can tailor your exercise routine to fit your personal preferences and goals, whether it's yoga, strength training, or cardio. A home gym means fitting in exercise whenever you can, even if it's just for 15 minutes. You can break up your workouts throughout the day, making it easier to stay consistent. It's about taking control of your health and fitness goals on your own terms. With a home gym, you have the power to create a routine that works for you, leading to a healthier, happier lifestyle. Budget-friendly fitness essentials. Gearing up without breaking the bank. You don't need to spend a fortune to stay fit and healthy. With a few smart choices, you can set up a home gym that meets all your fitness needs without emptying your wallet. You don't need fancy machines to get a great workout. Start with the basics. Simple, effective, and budget-friendly equipment that can help you achieve your fitness goals. Dumbbells. Versatile for strength training. They come in various weights and can be used for a wide range of exercises, from bicep curls to shoulder presses. Choose a variety of weights to gradually increase your strength and endurance. This allows you to progress at your own pace and keep challenging your muscles. Resistance bands. Affordable and perfect for full-body workouts. They are lightweight, portable, and can be used to target different muscle groups. Yoga mat provides cushioning and support for floor exercises. A good yoga mat is essential for comfort and stability during your workouts, whether you're doing yoga, Pilates, or core exercises. Jump rope. Great for cardio and easily stored. It's an excellent tool for improving cardiovascular health, coordination, and agility. Plus, it's compact and can be used anywhere. Stability ball. Challenges your core and adds variety to exercises. It can be used for a range of exercises that improve balance, stability, and core strength. These simple tools can target every muscle group and provide a challenging workout. With a little creativity and dedication, you can create an effective home gym setup that helps you stay fit and healthy without breaking the bank. Remember, consistency is key, and with these budget-friendly essentials, you're well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Smart shopping. Finding quality without the hefty price tag. Building your home gym on a budget is about being resourceful. Check online marketplaces for used equipment. Look for discounts at sporting goods stores. Don't be afraid to buy gradually. Start with a few essentials and slowly add more as your budget allows. Remember, quality matters. Inspect used items carefully. Read reviews before purchasing online. Invest in well-made equipment that will last. Section 4. Creating your workout oasis. Setting up your home gym. You don't need a lot of space. A spare bedroom, garage corner, or even a section of your living room can work. Choose a well-lit and ventilated area. Make sure you have enough space to move around comfortably. Add a mirror to check your form and motivate yourself. Most importantly, personalize the space. Put up motivational quotes, play your favorite music, and make it an area where you enjoy spending time. Section 5. Embrace the freedom benefits of a home gym. A home gym is about so much more than just convenience. It's about reclaiming your time and prioritizing your health. No more rushing to the gym or feeling self-conscious. Work out in your pajamas if you want. Listen to your favorite podcasts or enjoy the peace and quiet. A home gym gives you the flexibility to work out whenever you want, however you want. It's about fitting fitness seamlessly into your life. Section 6. Stay motivated, stay strong. Tips for a consistent routine. Establishing a consistent routine is crucial for achieving your fitness goals. It's not just about working out. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle. The key to success is consistency. Consistency helps you build habits that become second nature over time. Schedule your workouts like any other important appointment. Treat them with the same level of importance as a meeting or a doctor's visit. Find an accountability partner or online community for support. Having someone to share your journey with can make a huge difference. Don't be afraid to try new things. Variety can keep your routine exciting and prevent burnout. Explore different workout videos online. There are countless resources available that can introduce you to new exercises and techniques. Find what you enjoy and what keeps you motivated. Whether it's yoga, weightlifting, or dance, choose activities that you look forward to. Remember, fitness is not punishment. It's a celebration of what your body can do. It's about self-care and empowerment. Taking time for yourself to improve your health is a powerful act of self-love. Celebrate your progress and be proud of yourself for taking control of your health. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a step towards a healthier you. Now go crush it!